Hi everyone, today I am going to be reviewing the Sophia Grace Dream Box, and this is obviously the Sophia Grace's monthly subscription box, and it costs £10 for the materials in it, and obviously you've got your postage and packaging on top of that. I think it's normally about £2.95, but I'll check and put all the information in the description below. And I had to wait a little while before I put this out because I had to wait till everybody received the box. So this is what you get this A4 box, and in this one, as you can see, it is Tooth Fairy themed. So there is this super cute embroidered Tooth Fairy, complete with her own wing. And with this one, you've got like a little tooth embroidery as well. And you could either put this on as like your embellishment for the little Tooth Fairy, or this is the second one, and I really love this one. So it's like a Tooth Fairy door, and it says, "In this pocket you will find a tiny little tooth of mine." So basically you get your child, pop the little tooth in there and then put that under the pillow, and then you could put that in like a keepsake box, and like I said, advertise it like as a part of a special Tooth Fairy bow, so like a bow to reward them for sending the tooth off. And obviously you keep this with the child's tooth, well, the parent would keep this with the child's tooth in for the memory box. And then you've got this pink cord, this super cute Tooth Fairy charm with the wings, some iridescent sparkly pink tulle, and then some fabric. Now this one's really pretty. Look at this transparent, and you've got all the different teeth fairies. So you've got like little tooth fairies with wings, little teeth in the tutus. You've got the blue, purple and like pink colours, and the little floral bouquets and flowers and bows in between, and these like little pink swirls. I don't really know how to describe those, like magical swirls kind of thing. Then you've got this super pretty Tooth Fairy one here, and again the Tooth Fairy's characters are so cute and like really charming. And then you've got two contrasting, this is like a chunkier glitter in the pink. Sorry, it's got some fluff on from the Tooth Fairy fluffy. So, and then you've got this like shimmery, thinner glitter white sparkle. So like that'd be nice. Obviously they're quite Tooth Fairy colours as well. So I only have a couple of Big Shot dies at my house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these to my sister, because she's much better at glitter bows and faux canvas bows than I am. I'm okay, but she's much better, and she's got a lot more dies. So I'm going to go to my sister's house tomorrow, and I'm going to make these up into beautiful bows, and I'm going to film her putting one of these together, the felty, because I am terrible at them. I cannot get these bits to glue nicely for the life of me, so I'll film my sister putting one of these together for you. And I will put that on along with the review of how many bows we make with the box and what bows we can get out of it, because I think I've also got some Tooth Fairy cards, and I know Sophia Grace has also got some really cute Tooth Fairy packs, card packs, so like I said, it'd be perfect for putting together. So I'll speak to you all later. Bye! Hi everyone, I am back with my dream box made up from my sister's. I didn't realise at the time, but she actually brought her own version of the exact same box, and I got the options of the fairy prints with the teeth, and she'd actually got the teeth with the fairies in the transparents. So she made me up some bows, and I'll show you all the bows. And as you can see from the two boxes, we've still got quite a bit left over. So we've got these two big pieces of the leatherette there, which is enough to make some snap clips or another bow, or two bows from both of those. And the same with the transparents. I've still got quite a bit left over, so there's that. And then I've still got my bit of tulle and these pieces of the pink and white from both boxes, and I've still got my felty to make up. So here is one of the bows. How cute is this? This is one of the Franchi peepos. designs. I'll put the link in the description of the name of the bow, but I can't for the life of me remember the actual name. But how cute is that in the transparent? And then she made me these two, and again I'll put the name of all the dies for the bows in the description for you, because I am absolutely terrible at the names. But obviously you've got the tooth fairy one there, and then you've got the actual fairy, well, the tooth fairies and the fairy tooth there, and then these ones with the alternative tails, and again tooth fairies, fairy tooth, I think, and these ones with the like scalloped layer. So cute. And she added the charms for me to these layers, one with the transparent on top, and again you've got the scalloped edges and the charms on both of those. And then she made me these super cute butterflies. So between the two boxes, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You'd be able to make at least 10 to 15 bows a box, depending on what sort of sizes that you want. You've got leftovers, you could make snap clips or further bows with those bits and pieces there, and you get lots of variety. And like I said, it's all really good quality, and like I said, you can make some really pretty bows, like I said, and I'll put all the links in the descriptions of the dies and everything. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.